right? We are live? Yes. We are live now. Let me share the link. So let's see what we have, what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Answer to demands. Someone asked me to make the video with my voice and explaining more about how to do it. So yeah, that's the video. Now I'm live and kicking. Now ready to show you how can you create this standalone application with Streamlit. That's pretty useful when you want to deliver your application, well, locally, not as a site that's mainly proposed by Streamlit. So we will start creating an environment. So I prefer to use the Python default environment. So I'm just reading my old tutorial, but now with my voice and explaining how I'm doing this. Let's do the improve environment. Now I'm creating the environment. I hope you are watching. Yeah, there is someone watching. That's pretty great. Yes. So let me check if I can see the chat with you, if I can interact with you. Let me see, how can I do this? Okay, that is totally new to me. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just watching myself. I just watch myself, and yes, with this you can interact with in the chat and okay, ask me anything you want. And okay, now I create the environment, the Python environment. I just run this command, Python -m vm new environment. This is brand new environment. So now this is running yet? Yes, this is running. So okay, the next step is to activate this environment. We can activate using bash, or we can activate it using the PowerShell. Yes, I can just copy the relative path. I press tab and it added this dot slash. So now the environment is activated. Now we are going to download the latest version of Streamlit. Yes, let's just check our Python version. I'm using 3.10. Yes, this is an old version already. There is a new version, but yes, that's good enough. Okay, so now we check our environment. Now we create it, and okay, now let's start by installing some dependencies. We are going to start Streamlit, install Streamlit. Yes, this will install Streamlit in this environment here. Yep. Okay. I'm probably watching this alone, but someone asked, and I'm glad here to share it. So I'm following you. Okay. So this is now finishing the install. So Let's see if we have another dependency to install. Yes, we have this PyInstaller. I didn't use it a lot, but yes, this is just to install it. My mouse just goes away. What happened with my mouse? Oh my god, everything goes black. Everything goes black. I don't know what's happening. My mouse just disappeared. Where's my mouse? Let me try. Okay, my mouse is back. Okay, my mouse is back. Now I have installed it, so yes, I hope this focus is working too. Now let's install the PyInstaller, so pip install PyInstaller. This is like that. We spell it like that. Let me check. PyInstaller. Yes. So that's the second dependency. So we have installed the Streamlit. Install Streamlit PyInstaller, and now temporarily just create an environment. Python dash m Python dash m and create this environment. Yes, that's what we've done until now. Okay, so with those two installed, we can create a new file. Yes, let's create this app file. Okay, and let's check if the Streamlit is working. Okay, so now it's Streamlit, and this is probably not working. Yes, it's working. So let me close this terminal and control open another one and activate this environment again here. So now we have this beautiful hello world with Streamlit. So Streamlit run app.py, and this is probably running. Yes, this is running. Let me show you if I can show you this. Okay, let me show you. Yes, this one. Can I bring it? Yes, this. I guess this is working. Now you are probably seeing this. Yes, we are seeing the brand new Streamlit app. Right? This is the app. Now let's go back to the code and okay, we can stop it right now just keep developing. Okay, yes. So now we are going to create the run app file. This run app file is the runner, the one that will execute this app. So in this app, you probably have some huge logic, so you can just create this run app. This run app will hook our app. Okay, so here we are going to use the Streamlit values directly. We are going to call the Streamlit.web import CLI. Yes, you can check it right here. So here is all the code that makes Streamlit great and working for us. So we are going to create something here. Okay, now we are going to create a magic function. I call like this because it's a common way to call a function in Streamlit. Let's call it underscore main run CL explicitly. So we are going to create it here. So you can place it anywhere. I'm going to place it right here. Okay. Main run CL explicit, and it has some arguments. Okay, file, command line, argument. This is like outside bootstrap. Okay, now we need to rook the metadata. Okay, so we are going to create a hooks folder. Okay, let's create a hooks folder, and okay, we are going to create this hook file, this hook Streamlit. Okay, hook Streamlit, and here we are going to hook the Streamlit. Yes, could not be resolved. Yes, this is here, and this is here too. So why? Probably I need to close and open it again. Let me do it just for the sake of the example. The code should be running. Okay, open it again. Let me load the Streamlit again. Okay, this guy. Okay, this guy is here. I guess this is a common one. Right. So now we have this. Okay. Let's just run the line to create our first spec file. Yes, let's run the PyInstaller, and okay, let's do it. Let's activate the environment and run the PyInstaller. This is the command line. Okay, this is run. Okay, we are running. So the PyInstaller is doing its stuff, hooking everything for us, creating this cache. Okay, so it's creating this cache. Some other use case, you probably want to create this like a simple spec file like that, but okay, this is creating. And let's give it a moment. try to follow it. I don't know how I see the comments without watching myself. Chat. Ah, got it. Found it. Now I guess I can close this. Hi, thanks. Oh, yeah, you are here. Hey. Are you following? Okay, if you have any question, why this is finishing. Okay, this for me this is already finished here. So okay, let's analyze this file. Okay, this is the file generated by the PyInstaller. So when we type PyInstaller, it has a lot of options. One of them is select how we wanted to export. This is the one file. It could be one folder, and it will generate a lot of files inside a simple folder. But now we are just creating one file and adding this specific rook. We can add as many rooks as we want. We can add this rook here, and we can add another hook here, additional hooks, and these rooks will copy the metadata from your library. Some library you have here, for example, the Binance library or another library, you could just hook it here. Yeah. So, and this is clean the early build. So, and this is building for our run PY. So our run PY have this Streamlit run that will run our brand new created function, well, that we created inside the Streamlit lanes, right? So packets, lib packets, created it here in the environment, lib side package, let's see, lib side packages, and Streamlit, okay, Streamlit, Streamlit. Here's the one we are editing, and here we have the web, yes, and inside the web we have CLI, that is the file, right? That is the absolute same file. Okay. So we added this file, and okay, we already did almost everything we had to do. Can't hear anything? Can't hear anything? How? Why? My microphone is on, I guess. Let me check it. Can you check it again? Can you check it again? Okay. Can't hear anything, but my OBS is saying that this is capturing the audio. I don't know. Let me see. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's because my voice is pretty low. Yes, it's pretty low. Let me. Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, so okay, what we've done until now, we've just create this environment. The first step was, okay, I had to create this I create a brand new folder and just type python-m venv and this create this folder here. So after that I run this command, okay? And okay, after run this command, I just create two simple files. The app that it will contain your logic, all your application will be in this app, okay? So if you have another import here, like I don't know, import async file, you could use here, and okay, it probably won't need a root because it is built in with the Python itself, okay? So yeah, if is some external dependency, as I explained right here, after create this file, you will create this another file that will import from the Streamlit, and the Streamlit now is the one we are trying to root outside from the Streamlit itself and make it global accessible for our environment. So that's why we create this method here. We came inside the CLI file and we go all the way down and create this file, this function. Never mind, this function. So this is a simple function, right? And yes, this is a flag, and this is the bootstrap that runs over Streamlit. So we here passing the arguments that is needed to run this, okay? This is similar at the same as the one hooked by the Streamlit itself, the main itself. So we just create this, okay? This is basically a copy and paste. So we just create these 4 files, basically app, run app, and we added the CLI. And inside that folder called hooks, you created this to hook the Streamlit itself, the metadata. So after create this file, so we edit it, we create here, you run PyInstaller with all these arguments. One file, it's totally optional, but you can use just one file. Let me read it. You at the beginning of the video. Okay, it's kind. It's required to create a virtual. Yes, it's required to create a virtual environment. Yes. It's required. My computer is offline standalone system and my phone, my Python code is running on it, Windows 11 system. I want to make executable file which may work on Windows 8 onwards on any Windows OS. Yes, that is the tutorial you need to, because you should remember that okay, you probably are following me now. Oh, I just closed the window. Let me open it again. Okay, so yes, if you are following me now, I just repeat the process again, and yes, this will create an executable that will be able to run in any Windows environment. I mean, in any desktop, to be honest. even for Linux, if you are able to run PyInstaller with Linux, it will probably work too. So, okay, we capture the previous steps, so let's just annotate it here. So times install, pip install Streamlit, so create the files app.py, then app.py, and /x Streamlit.py. So we create these three files. We populate them, okay, as in the earlier tutorial, okay, and we run the PyInstaller. Run PyInstaller. Okay. So let's just add it here and just make it nice. It's very nice. Okay, this is the file. Let's see if this is cool. Yes, this is pretty cool. Okay. So the app file is like that. Let's add another one. Just waiting for you. No, is with here. So this is the run file. Yes. And the hook. Let's find it. Let's show you syntax here. Yes, this is the one. Yes, good. So now we have this nice, pretty nice step by step. Okay. So now you run this, and after that, okay. Well, you actually don't need to download it again. Actually, you don't need to download it again. If you are following me now, let's just assume that after you create this executable file, if the Python is installed in this machine with all the dependencies, yes, it will work. This executable will just work with the Python that is in this environment. So if not, you can just make a copy of your local, or I don't know, use the portable Python, for example. Yeah, so you need the Python. The machine with okay, so now, okay, the next step, it's technically just done. We are almost done here. we are just going to edit the file. We can just create this configurable here, just letting you know that you can do this. Okay, just create a new file, this config.toml that you should use to define the port where to run this local npm, like the node, like a portable node. Yes. Okay, let's assume you have this. So we're going to create this output. Oh, let's call this pretty cool. We can create this output.streamlit here. It is where we're going to output our environment. So this first one is for your development environment, and this is for our output. Okay, so our output, you have this configuration. Okay, so let's copy the app.py to this output. So yes, we are copying this file here. Let me close all them. So the output will contain our application, right? So now, with everything in place, we only need to add the datas. Okay, that is the tuple. Okay, the tuple here. Let's see. In the run app spec, we have this analysis and this exec. Okay, in this analysis, we have this datas here. Yes, here, this datas. We generate this file here with this command. Okay, so here we are going to add our tuples. So we have first the tuple of Streamlit. This tuple is basically two paths, the absolute path and the absolute path inside the outer. So this environment is called env, not .env, so remove the dot here. And this is the local inside, yes, inside the value, the outer. We have this local path. Okay. Study. Okay. Create the environment. Yes. Create environment is pretty simple. I mean, you will not find any trouble doing this, I guess. Okay, so keep going. So the next one is the Streamlit itself, not the dependencies. This is the one that run the graphs for Streamlit. Yes, and this one is called env. I call it env. If I create this with dot, it would call it dot env. This is the name of your environment, your local environment. Okay. So, and yes, this is the string. Static. Great. Another one is the runtime of the streaming. Yes, the runtime, and let's end here with the local path of the runtime. This is actually the environment. You can see it like the side packages, Streamlit runtime, side package, stream runtime. Here we are adding this place. Got it? I guess you got it. So yes, this is the three paths we need. So we are technically done here. So PyInstaller So now we are running the PyInstaller. We generate this spec file, right? And now we are just run the PyInstaller to generate the actual file. And this is unable to find auto-py schema. Okay, let's see where is it. Lib auto-py. Vega Lite version 5. Yes, version 4. It's not. It's version 5 in the newest version. So what changes this one? So let's see if the schema is here. Schema is here, and the Vega Lite schema core. Yeah, this is like this. Totally here. Yes, this huge file. I don't know what is done, but Streamlit needs it to survive. So that's why we are passing this. This is probably some stuff that it's needed, and this is the local path. So auto-py Vega Lite version 5. Okay, schema. Okay. So the message here was, okay, I don't find it. Yes. What are you talking about? I don't know what is version 5 now. Let's try again. Okay. Let's try again. Unable to find streamlit .env. Ah, yes, .env didn't exist too, so let's remove it because the environment is called env, not .env, right? So our environment here is called env. Great. I will finish this new readme file and upload it there. Okay, so now I guess it will work. At least it should. It's probably working. Some hook. Yes, the hook is being called. The hook is being called. Okay. So when we run this app, this will run this run app. This executable file will run it. Okay. I hope you find it useful. I'm just finishing it. It's pretty fast, to be honest. It's pretty easy, don't you think? Okay, this is trying to add the environment libs here, creating the package, because package is not existing. Oh, it's creating this gist folder. In this case, it's gist folder. It's almost done. Yes, it's almost done. I guess I had to place these guys here inside this gist folder, okay? Because when I run the last comment, this last comment here, I don't specify the name output. If you want to check this command line here, and this output, output, hold here, contains here, where it will output. Okay, let's X. Yes. Patch path, okay, data service, collect submod, collect metadata, okay, tries. Okay, gist path. Yes, if I had to add this gist path, like Okay, this just path is output. This will create this file inside the output folder. Okay, I guess, I don't know, I don't remember. It's, I mean, 1 year I don't use this. Yeah, it's probably this. Let's do it again. Let's finish it. Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay, let's see if it will place it in the place we want or not, or it will just rebuild it. I guess it will. Let's hope so. Yes, that is exactly what it does. It places this executable file inside the output file. So this gist path argument, choose where you want to place it. Yes, that's pretty cool. Pretty simple to use CLI. Interesting? Run this. I miss a lot of steps here, I guess. I love. So after that, let's check it. Let's check it. Let me open the files and let's just try to run it. This will open up a terminal and let's see if it's working. Oh yes, this is the trick. Just create the file. Let me show you really quick. Now you're following. Great. You're probably watching. Yeah. No, not following me right now, but okay. Let me show you another screen here. Let's see this Explorer. Okay, let's see the entire screen. Let's capture the display. Display capture. Yes. Let's see the full screen. Now you're seeing everything. Now you're seeing my whole screen. Let's open the terminal. I just opened this output folder where I end up building this executable file. So now let's go, and this is the early created, and now the file is here, the executable file is here. We can just run like that. I guess, I hope so. History, the web CLI doesn't have the environment. I mean, what's going on here? Let's see. It is not hooking the environment. Yes, I guess it's not hooking the environment. This library compartment, this is all the stuff. This is not hooking the environment. So let's see if the issue is with the environment. Let's try try to activate this environment here, just to know. Yes, just to know. Probably the issue is this. Okay, I will try to activate this environment here. I'm copying the full path, and yes, I will try to hook it here. Okay, and after activate this environment and not my Windows Python, I'm trying to run this app. Let's see if this works. There's no attribute CL explicit. Run app file app.py. Why? Why? Let me check it. Let me see. This is the environment. Let me see if my this is running. No Python. This could be doing this. This could be doing this. Here. Let me see if this. Oh, yes, this. Sorry, sorry. I'm so sorry. When I run this command here, this delete my data. That's why it isn't finding the actual path. Yes, that's it. That's right. So I can't run this command after generating this. Okay, so now let's just try again. We are going to add again this tree path. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here. I need to change it here. Yes, let's change it to the local one. Yes. Okay, here. Now I've changed it. Okay, now I've changed it. And I can again generate this file. The hooks folder is here. Okay. We are looking for it here, and the red is here. So I added it. It is kind of odd, but oh, it's clear now. And then this could be it. This could be it. Okay, let's check again. Oh, I ran the wrong comment. Oh my god. I just ran the wrong comment. Okay, let's do it again. I just ran the wrong comment. This is creating the rookie, not the file. We are kind of cheating with the hooks. Okay, we're kind of cheating with the hooks. Yes. CNAV. Okay, okay. Let's do it again. Now we run this command, correct command. Okay, this is the correct command, but before we need to action and file. Okay, let's add our cheats. Okay, this, and that. So these, and these are the files. Yes, they are here. Great. Here. And now I'm going to run the correct command. That is PyInstaller spec. Now I will not commit the mistake again. I will not recreate this spec. I will only read this spec. Okay? And this output folder will be output. Or I can just grab it to here and move it to that and just delete this here and use the default gist folder. We are just create this one. Okay, it will create. Oh, we've been able to find Vega 4 again, Vega 5. Version 5. Okay. Now, yes, that is it. Okay, let's see if it will work. It did not arise our data here. Let's check it here. Just see. Yes, this folder. This is the early tutorial I'm reading. Great. I passed through some troubleshoots. Probably someone of you probably passed through, so that's totally normal. Okay, let's see. It now is using the directional extra DLL by our correct environments. Yes, the correct environments, because now creating while writing yes, great, complete. Now it's complete, it's done. Let's check it. Okay, it's done. Oh my god. I don't know. Oh my god. So much fear. Has not boot failed to run. Oh my god. Why? This was so long. I mean, it could be something about this, but I don't know if it's what is the issue that's this ref. And actually, this is activated, so let's check it. I mean, why? Why it's not finding? Model is not root. It's searching for this file. Save them. What have I done? What have I done here? It's no CLI, but I created. Am I copying the right metadata? Let me check it. Yes. The metadata is correct. I don't know what's going on here. What's going on here? Let's do this. Just see what's going on. If I miss some steps. Let's see if I'm missing any step. It's not finding. Okay, guess what? I'm gonna add this in my Python. Python, no. My Python is this one. Let's see. I'm just trying to open the Python file, Python folder. Let's start with Python. Okay. Credentials. I'm going to app data, local, Python, package, Python social foundation, and here I have session for the Python itself. If this is the problem, because now for some reason I can't see my app is not running. It's not running. It's looking for something, but not the correct environment. Let me check. I guess I'm not actually finding the path. It's here, Python. There's the group. Python 3. Let's see. Let me check which Python it's looking for. It's using this Python. This Python. I don't know, what should I review this? Let's see. It's a great idea. I'm just looking for the solution. Local packages. Button. Side scripts. Yes, I guess I found it. I guess if we did stream it, it's probably here, and the web is probably here, and it's the guy that is different. So yes, this could be the issue. This one, yes, this one is different from the code. So let's check it again. Different files. Exit. Yes, else. What else could be wrong? There is no main. It's trying to run and didn't find it. So let's check if this will work now. It's a try issue. Could be wrong. Here exception. Similar. We're not finding it. Let's see if this. I had to analyze wrap. Yeah. Analyze wrap. It's basically working with the version. It's not working now. Yes, this is kind of weird. It's kind of weird. Let me. I mean, I don't know if I had to choose dot in the environment name. That could be the issue. Yes, could be. Yes, it could be. Let's try it again. From scratch. Delete everything from here. And yes, we'll try this. Let's try from scratch, but now with the version that we are using here. Okay. Instance tribute. I'm starting to implement. Great, great. Now I'm not understand. Now I'm not understand. Now I'm with some issues, probably, I don't know, some weird issues, because I guess it's this dot. I guess the issue is this dot that is required. I'm almost sure this dot is required. Almost sure. Let's activate this environment. Okay, I can create this whole file. I will try to reproduce exactly my steps before. Okay, exactly my steps, my very steps. Yes. So open a. Yes, I'm going to use the command prompt. Yes. Yes. This is the CLS. Yes. This is the old one. I don't know if the issue is with this, but let's check. Yes, got it. We can deactivate the PyInstaller. Now we are just going to install this. Now I mean, I was trying to do something new and it won't work, but now we can do it again. Yeah, I can do it again. I have no problem with that. I'm just deleting this from my environment. Yes, this is the environment. Okay, I'm creating a totally new environment. Okay. At 22 minutes. Wow, 22 minutes. We are almost 1 hour already. Almost 1 hour live. I know. Oh my god. This is crazy. 1 hour. 1 hour. Yes, it was not that easy that I was looking for, but it's 1 a.m. in my country. Totally late. But I did a promise, and I will do it. Okay, Altair, finish please. Finish for us. A lot of stuff started. Install Streamlit PyInstaller. Why this is the video? I'm just doing it. Why? What we should add here, we should echo this, echo this one. So we have two files to echo. And here in the app, I'm going to run. This is the weird part. Yes, this did not exist. Yes. Let's go here and add it. The weird part. Where is add it right here. Main run CLI. Should I add this something else? No. Okay, now we need to hook the metadata from the root of the project, add a new folder, and create a file to be more organized. Okay, now let's do it. Hook. Hooks is the folder. Okay. Hooks is the folder. So, first step, second step, third step. Okay, third step. And now the hooks folder and this hook string. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, we are going to. Okay, now the warn gone. Now the warn we saw before is gone. I mean, that's probably the issue. The dot here, it's probably totally required. This dot, this little dot, is extremely important. I guess that's why I added at the beginning of the tutorial. So great, it's probably working now. I'm feeling this is more. So PyInstaller, one file, additional hooks, and this director. Okay, hooks. Run app.py, and yes, I mean, what else can go wrong here? I mean, it's kind of odd if this didn't work. Okay, so we are probably doing something more correct, I guess. I don't know. I hope so. So what we've done different is we are using the CMD instead of PowerShell, and we are using this dot at the beginning of the name of our environment created. So these are two important things. So dot and this dot should be important. This dot is pretty important. This dot is pretty important. Use CMD. Yes, this is two important things. I mean, if you know what I mean. Because we tried to using the PowerShell and it wasn't finding the PyStreamlit, PyInstaller. It was highlighting like, okay, I don't know what you're talking about. What is this copy metadata? What is this weird stuff? I mean, this makes sense because PowerShell actually isn't the actual terminal in the Windows machine. The actual terminal is literally the CMD. So CLS. Yes. Okay. Everything seems oddly correct now. Now we need to add this Streamlit config. Okay, let's add this Streamlit DOM. Our Streamlit DOM configuration file. Okay, this one is to configure it locally. So now we're not running 8501, it will run 8502. We can try it right now, but you probably get it. And we need to copy it. So let's copy it using the command. Let's try it. Oops. Let's copy it output because in case this is the executable. This is already here. And let's copy to here. So let's copy this to here. And that's great. Sounds better. Just copy and paste. Magic copy and paste. Okay. So now app should be copied to the exist folder. Yes. This is it. Now we have to add this data. Okay. Let's add data. This is absolutely the path, and probably this is not before, it's V5, and it's V5 2. So let's change it. I guess I'll pay V5, legalize 5, and the kind is 9. Schema, and this guy is right here, V5. Okay, no panic, no drama. Okay, now great. Now we just hit build with this spec. I mean, this is odd, but I mean, it's totally odd. It's kind of hacking. It's totally ranking this stuff. It's not natural. I don't know how I created this tutorial 1 year ago. I was so dumb. And some way I managed to do it. I don't know. Sometimes we do stuff that we absolutely can't understand, but we do. I hope this works. Oh my god, how I want this works. Only God knows. Only God knows how much of it is. Okay. Oh my god. This is Gear is the correct city. Gist. Gear. Now we have this byte file. Nice. I don't know, this could not run true. I mean, run! It is working! But try to use essentially before it was initialized. But it is working. I mean, bad message format. Something is updated, so probably this new version is not working as expected. expected, okay? But now I know that the issue was with this dot. The issue was with this dot. So format. You are not seeing this, but yes, this is working now. But okay. Let me check how can I try to use essential info before it was initializing. And this error is absolutely nonsense now, because this involves how Streamlit works. Is hello? String cannot be interpreted as... I guess I remember this error. I think I will have it. This was because we are trying to STL object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Is hello here, because when we added it here, it's running Your Streamlit. This command, this flag, is from app session, create new session, type cannot be interpreted as an integer, app session, it's the runtime, yes, it's the runtime. The runtime here need that I explicitly pass this flag is hello as session info before it is initialized. It asks us to let me show you. Okay, this is working. Yes, this is kinda working now. I mean, that's so much information in the screen, but no, it's not about it. It's about this gist folder. Okay, I hope you are seeing this. This gist folder here. Now I can go here and open terminal, and I hope this works with. Okay, this could not work, but yes, the port is already in use. Yes, so it's literally working. So let's stop here and let's run here. So we are running this executable that we just generated, and this error, see, this error is because we are not passing an argument. Yes, there is an argument. We should pass let's check it. Let's check object type STL object cannot be interpreted as integer. STL cannot be interpreted let's use our old GPT, great of all times. Okay, GPT, do your job. I just created Streamlit because probably we are adding from this guy here, which we are adding this. So we have this let's see. Not useful. Okay, let's see this. Finish file. I guess we have to manually press. Please hello. Escute nada. It's hello. It's here. Yes, this is here. Oh, the bootstrap here. Now we are investigating how Streamlit works. Okay, I guess it is totally boring for some people. But we solved our problem. Now I'm just perfecting it with the new version. Okay, and live Streamlit hello is hello. Bootstrap home hello is hello. Oh, this is hello. It's waiting this. Because we are executing command line here. Oh, take a look. Bootstrap run. Have some comments, and one of them is this one. Yes, this is creating the args and the flags, args and flags, and here is hello. So 4 arguments. In our example, we are passing 4 arguments. The command line is actually this get command. So this is a string. This is filtering up the arguments and getting the first. The second, to be honest, is removing the word string. So if it's equal, is hello, it's returning a boolean here. Get comment as string. Here is run with string. I guess this is not the case anymore. Let's run with string. Search for the word string here. It's running. Oh, is hello. Probably is hello. Like this. No, I don't know. It's string. Let's search about it. Are you with me? Yes, probably. No. So it's saying that as the object cannot contact with as an integer because command line here replacing command line string run and this bootstrap is from. Just check. That's eyes. Run. Eyes. And eyes. Main run. Just run. So run is main run. Acceptable. So this is technically just changing the way it works. It's technically saying, okay, early we was just adding this stuff, but now we're just using this hello and passing the args. So I'm not crazy. This guy was hooking like crazy. Okay, this guy was hooking like crazy, but yeah, he has some streamlit. I'm trying to change the way, like to adapt myself. I'm trying to figure out that flag is slow. It's trying to call the run file. Say that this is ours. Okay, let's say this is ours. Okay. If this is ours, then this second comment is actually not used by us. I mean, this make no sense. It's running with strong. This seems that this didn't work. It's just nonsense anyway. I don't know. Seems that it didn't work. Yeah, this guy just didn't exist anymore. And if this don't exist anymore, there is no reason to keep it here. Yes, so this is basically script library. Use it. Now I'm just running the file. I'm hooking like this package. File, yes, I'm hooking like this guy. I'm hooking like this bad boy here. Arts. Yes, I'm hooking like this. Running like this. And here I don't have this. It's hello. not the command line anymore. It's basically this, I guess. I mean, it's kind of weird. Now I'm feeling like I'm breaking the rules. Breaking a lot of rules. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. To be honest. Is this one? Is this one? I don't want to build this again. Just the color of that. Yes, it's this one. Oh, I did the right folder. Yes. Let's see about that. Let's see. Now I'm passing my cards. I don't care about this command line. Oh god, this is so weird. No, I guess it's wrong. It's totally wrong. Yes, I should run like this. Here's the command line. It's hello darks. Yes. Is basically the argument, and this argument is started to darks. Darks is so darks is who the fuck arcs? By file. So yes, this is the first. The second part of arcs here is basically, I don't know, who arcs? Who is arcs? Who am I? What I'm doing here? What I did with my life? Why I chose this profession? Okay. Now, this is passing arcs. No. This is positional. So it's obviously key arcs. Key arcs and hello. Or is it arcs is just arcs? Arcs. Streamlit and yes, this. I'm counting this row. That is 4 arguments. 1, 2, 3, 4. So arcs is arcs. I need to mount this. Check credentials. No. Stop being done. Why? change how the bootstrap works here. Is handling main script in args. I need to decompose the args. And I guess I need to decompose the args. You were still watching. Now I'm doing just for me. I guess I help you. But okay, let's dive in. Let's keep going. We will find how to solve this message. This message probably has nothing to do about how it works, but I need to fix this because the goblin in my head don't leave me alone. Okay, these args is probably args like args. Yes. No. Run and string like this. And this is false. I mean, this makes sense to adapt me to say, okay, I'm forcing this to not run is hello and call it like crazy. I mean, this makes sense because arguments only make sense to be streaming and run and the file here and passing the file. The bootstrap run is waiting this. The main script args, but I don't know if the args include the word streamlit itself. But it could. It could. Let's see. Needs to sys args need to exclude streamlit argument and parameters and be set. Oh, this is answer what I've asked. And be set to what a user script may expect. So list args should exclude. So I guess args is just run. It's just run like app files run like a crazy. Like crazy. Don't you think this is absolutely crazy? Yes. Now it works. If I read the updates itself, I mean, this probably would be more easy for us, but I refuse to be this weak guy. I'm John Wick. That's working. That's working. Okay, that's great. Now, Yahoo! How can I choose it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. How do I say yeah in English? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You. Yeah. Yes, like yeah, yeah. I'm not native. I'm not a native speaker of English. Fix it. So what I've done here, I just wanna talk to him. I just wanna talk to him. So I mean, it's pretty useless. This false here. Just this could be default false. Let's set the default false here. Then just ignore this one. And instead of say this, we are going to say, oh my god. And okay, I don't want to call it like yeah. I mean, I can change the order here, but yeah, you got it. And this is the command line. This name is hello. So if this is hello, you shouldn't pass. I mean, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but you got it. You got it. It's fucking working now. Yeah, it's fucking working now. What's matter? What's the important? Is that's working out. Okay, this file here, this motherfucking file is absolutely working. My friend, oh, you're seeing my screen? Yes, you're probably seeing my screen. Yeah, you saw me do everything. Yes, yes. So that is it. I could improve this function that is just a work for this run, or you could just, I don't know, call some of these, like this little guy here. You could call something else, like this have three arguments and have a lot of stuff to treat and paths and stuff like that. It's probably better to use this. So, but yeah, I'm just working directly from the bootstrap, And yes, it's not hello. It's check. We are just calling this bootstrap here. We are calling it bootstrap. Yeah. Okay, my friend. It's done. It's basically done now. And have do you have a question? Do you have an issue? I mean, something you want to highlight, something you want me to explain, if I can, because okay, nice, nice. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, it's just a video. I don't know. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I mean, I try to follow stuffs and try to do stuffs. You see, it's not that hard. It's pretty simple. I'm just reading the code. Python is pretty simple. Okay, I'm glad to have you here, and thank you for watching. If you are not subscriber, subscribe, and I will probably put something new like this and update stuffs. Okay, thank you. I'll probably just update the code in the repository. We can use the repository I've done here. Would be cool if you just update this here. If you another guy just update with me, and yes, we could do this too. And yes, here we can be a nice guy and work together, and yes, would be pretty nice. Thank you, bye, and see you in the next video. Yes, it's cheers. Yes, cheers. So if you want to give a star in the repository, I will be, totally grateful. Thank you a lot. So you don't have any question now? I will turn it off and say bye to you.